Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video marks the beginning of week number 28 in this road to 100k realized return challenge. Once again, this week started with a bang. Markets are pretty much in the red following the announcement by US President Donald Trump that tariffs will be leveled to Canada, Mexico and China. And basically the markets acted in a very bad way, because basically they did not approve these, especially because a lot of industries will be affected by this in their supply chains, and of course the increased costs that come with it, and most likely they will have to pass on these cost increases to consumers. And so, yeah, markets did not respond positively, quite the contrary. And so, as things stand at the moment, things are not as bad as they were in the beginning of the session. And so, basically, we are waiting for these options on Pfizer to basically expire. And we just went ahead and did what we could with our holdings of QQQ, because currently, as it stands at the moment, we are in a position of which, if you look right here, our current break-even price, if we sell our holdings and break even, including and if we sell our QQQ shares at 532.40 cents, we would be able to break even, considering the premiums that we already collected. And because of that, I decided to take some risk and not selling them at the price at which we bought them, which was 536, and we simply sold a call for 2 days, so it will expire tomorrow with a 533 strike price. We could extend this for one more day and collect a bit more premium, but with this kind of strike, I would prefer to err on the side of caution, and because I expect that the index will not come back up until tomorrow to this kind of price. And so I decided to take the risk. Even if something goes wrong and the price bursts or rises above this strike price, we would still be in the green overall, but we'll have to wait, and hopefully this will this option will expire worthless, and we will not be able to we will not have to sell our shares at a lower price at which we bought. Now, one interesting thing that I wanted to show you is that as you can see right here, in terms of the upcoming events for Pfizer, there is nothing in here that tells that earnings will be released anytime soon. However, a little bit shortly after I posted the last video, the wrap up of week number 27, I noticed that Pfizer actually will be releasing its earnings tomorrow, on Tuesday, February the 4th, and which it's not a good position to be in, because remember, I sold some puts on it with a strike price of 26, and at this point, as things stand, it's not comfortable knowing that you are forced to buy the stock if there is a large drop, and if it could well happen, especially because the earnings on Pfizer are expected to be increased significantly, and so probably anything that falls short of those expectations by investors will result in a drop in price. And so we are not that far from the current strike price, and so I would rather not have to buy the shares at 26 if the price falls to 24 or 25 or something like that. But we'll have to wait and see what happens. But again, I have to say thumbs down to Interactive Brokers. But at this point, yeah, there must be something wrong in here, because there is nothing to say about the earnings in here, and they should have the date in here that earnings will be released soon. But yeah, it is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. You can see, for example, Ford Motor Company, which was a company that we managed to get rid of a few weeks ago. It's here, so there's nothing wrong in terms of the Interactive Brokers. Overall, it's something wrong with the list of events on Pfizer, and so yeah, this is something that should not happen. Well, basically we'll have to wait and see what happens. And yeah, basically this is it. I already input this trade in our scoreboard, and so we will have to wait and see what happens. In the meantime, until the end of the week, I will be putting more trades in, but then we'll have to wait and see what happens. The market is coming back relatively, but yeah, it bodes well for the next few days, as long as it doesn't cross this threshold of 533 in the case of QQQ. It's now a time to wait and see what happens. Until then, feel free to leave your comments and your suggestions, any questions, in the comment section down below. You can also DM me on LinkedIn, and also feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As I mentioned in my short video this weekend, I am organizing a live Q&A through Teams to anyone who is interested in ask me any questions about the challenge, the videos that I do, since we managed to achieve 200 subscribers in our channel. I will be waiting on you guys to basically raise your hand and let me know if you are interested in this Q&A. Until then, I'll see you next time.